Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video, we saw how to insert a new node in a single circular linked list. Hope the concept was clear. Now in this video, let's talk about how to traverse a given circular single linked list. So the step remains exactly same as single linked list. There is no difference at all. That is, we first start with the first node and print its value, then keep going towards right and print each and every node's value till we reach the last node. Once we reach the last node, we exit the method. Now let's see how does the algorithm looks like. It's very simple. Name of the method is traverse linked list. It takes head reference. It checks for if head double is equal to null. That is, if the list does not exist, then simply return because we don't have anything to print in that case. Else, we create a loop starting from head to tail. Now the head is the first node and the tail is the last node. And every time we visit the node, we print its value. So that is all that we do when we are traversing. Now let's see what is the time and space complexity of this algorithm. If head is null, then we have to simply return. This is constant time operation. Else we have to loop starting from head till tail. So essentially we are visiting each and every node in the linked list, hence it will take order of n time. Printing the value will take order of 1 time. When we multiply order n with 1, we get order of n time. So the total time complexity becomes order of n. Space complexity is order of 1 because we might be using a temporary variable in case of loop, nothing more than that. So this is all about traversing a circular single linked list. In the next video, let's talk about how to search for a given value in a circular single linked list. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.